Well, hello there, it's Ina here and welcome to my art room. This is a quick introduction to my 4 core art challenges, which I host monthly. And now the link for this video I will be using in all of my future challenges, because here you will see all the details you need in order to play along. It's all very, very simple. Now, many of you are already familiar with the format I'm using because we worked together before, so this may just be a reminder. In either case, I hope you will join in again. Now, if you are a newcomer to the challenge, welcome. This video will give you everything you need in order to participate. So please join in, it's lots of fun. So I named my challenge 4 core because every month we will use 4 core or basic elements in our projects in order to fulfill the challenge. Now, whenever I post anything related to the challenge, I will add a hashtag, and you're welcome to do the same. That way we can find each other's listings or postings more easily. Now, when I started this challenge, I had a few things in mind. First of all, we will always use very simple materials, things that I presume all of you, being artists and crafters, have readily available in your stash already. Once in a while you might have to look for things. I often use recycled materials. Either case, you do not have to spend any money on materials. Secondly, yes, I want to put out a large variety of projects to work on, but they're all very doable. So no matter if you are a beginner or you're more experienced in arts and crafts, this challenge is for you. Of course, I will encourage you to think outside the box, but all of these are easy to do. You can keep them simple, you can make them more elaborate. It's completely up to you. Each challenge gives you lots of room for your own personal style and interpretation. So please join in. Now, lastly, but importantly, I really wanted to use these challenges to give you an opportunity to show off your completed artworks. So when you're done with the challenge, please send some photos my way. I will then compile them all and show them off right here on my channel. But more about that in a moment. So 4 core or 4 basic elements will of course change every month, but it could be as simple as a theme, or maybe a substrate we all will be working on or with. It could specify a medium or maybe a style. We will work in different art forms. I like working 2-dimensional as well as 3-dimensional. Sometimes I encourage you to add things to your art, like texture or images, and you name it. There's really no end to this list. So if you have any ideas for our 4 core monthly challenges, please let me know in either below my comments or in my email. I love to hear from you. So I start my challenge every month on the first Friday. You will find a video right here on my channel titled #4core, and there I will give you the new challenge, and it will run for the remainder of the month, so you have plenty of time to work on your project, no pressure. And you also don't have to remember a specific date, just that the last day of the month is the deadline. So as soon as you're done with your project, anytime throughout the month, latest on the last day, please send some photos to my email. I use my name just the way you see it here on my channel, and it's at gmail.com. And I will add this address one more time below in my description box for you. Now, you can send me 1 or 2 or 3 photos. It's really up to you. It often depends on the project. Sometimes 1 photo is sufficient. Other times you would like us to see the back or some detail. So it's up to you. Now, A little tip on photo taking: please try to center your piece. Also try to have good lighting, and if you can, use a very plain and solid background. But I will use every photo I receive. I will also answer every email I receive, so you know that we are in touch. Now when you send me an email, please do add the hashtag 4core to the title and also add the months of the challenge. And in your email, please let me know which name you would like me to use to label your photos. Some people use their full name, others prefer their first name, or they have an artist name. Either way, it's perfectly fine. Just please clarify to me every time you send me some photos. Now, if you are a video creator, you are of course more than welcome to post a process video or a show and tell video anytime you like. Just please add the hashtag 4core to the title. If you can post early in the month, it's always nice. And that way, if any of your viewers get inspired to participate, they still have time to do so. But in either case, please send a link to your video and also some photos to my email, just like everybody else. So, my video on Friday will have my process in it. Of course, I will participate in each challenge. It will have the lineup of all of your wonderful photos, so you can admire each other's creations and each other's ideas. And then it will also have the new challenge in it. So it's all very compact in one monthly video. That way it makes it easier for me, and the rest of the months are free for me to post videos of other projects I'm working on. So I think this concludes this video. It has everything in it you need to participate, and as I said in the beginning, it's all very simple. So I hope you will all join in again. I can't wait to receive all of your wonderful photos. I love to be in touch with you all. If you know about anyone who would enjoy these kind of challenges, refer them to this video or give them the link. Please stay creative, stay safe. I talk to you really soon, and bye bye for now.